Hi viewers, this is Asif. Today our topic is business advisory services. Today we will topic today our topic is very hot topic and we will discuss on the different aspects of the business advisory services. First of all, what is the business advisory services? Actually, business advisory is a value added service helping a business with the objective of navigating the business from where they are now to where they are going. For any business owners, having someone to guide them on this path is a good end. Another important question many people ask to me, that what is the difference between the consulting and the advisory services. Basically, the consulting and the advisory services are internal audit, evaluating the effectiveness of the company, internal controls and its corporate governance and the accounting process, risk management, finding out the risky areas in the company, for example, where a financial fraud can be committed, which operation is at risk of failing, etc. Viewers, and other thing is that the advisory services or the business advisory is a value added service helping a business with the objective of navigating the businesses. I already explained this thing. So this is a major difference between the consulting and the advisory services. Like, if broadly explained to you, that advisory service are consulting service in which a CPA develops findings and conclusions and recommendations that are presented to the client for the consideration and the decision making. Consulting service. Viewers, there are many questions. Right now we will discuss on about the business advisory services, and the major part of the business advisory services. Another main question is coming, that I will explain to you. A advisory services, in other words, if I will explain to you about the advisory service, in other words, accounting advisory service in accounting means the accountant provides expert recommendations, options and strategies to help business owners achieve their financial and the operational goals. What do business advisory firms do? This is also important questions. Basically, management consultants help businesses improve their performance and grow by solving problems and finding new and better ways of doing things. It's not just in the private sector either. Many firms work with public sector organizations to help develop their services and where necessary reduce costs and make savings. Another thing is that what are the 7 small business consulting services? Small business consulting services are sales and marketing consulting. Second is project management consulting. Third is reporting. Fourth is forecasting, IT consulting, accounting consulting and strategic planning. List of top advisory firms. Number 1 is Bain and Company, the Boston Consulting Group, and you can see on the screen that Bose is there, the Oliver there is, and you can say that Deloitte Consulting is there. So these are the top advisory firm in the world. And why is advisory services important for all of us? Because viewers, advisory services are provided with the goal to support undertakings and overcome weakness in specific areas like finance and businesses, legal, etc. A range of business advisors are bestowing best in class services to help organization perform up to the ballpark and become a sovereign. Sovereign. And the next thing is that small business advisory services, five main benefits. Number one, here are the five main benefits of the small advisory services. Dear viewers, number one is get a clear and unbiased perspective. Second is you work with an experienced team. Number third is outside market knowledge. Number fourth is grow for the future. Number seven is save time and money. Dear viewers, there are a lot of questions. If we will go in the detail about the advisory services, you will find that there are many things which is very beneficial for the small industries. Like if we will talk about in the list of top advisory services which are most popular in the world, which is most popular in the world, and these companies are providing the good business services all over the world. And the second thing is that viewers, if we will talk about advisory firms, these firms are taking the very reasonable charges to the big companies and providing their services. Basically, true business advisor immerse themselves in every aspect of your business. They genuinely care about you and your business and put their energy into the advice they are giving. Their investment in the business goes beyond what they can earn from their advisory services, but into the growth and the success they can help create for your business. So dear viewers, business advisory is very important for any businessman, for any corporate office like that. Advisory is more than just graphs on the past performance. Business advisors should present a business owner with an accurate picture of their current situation, highlighting the risk and the opportunity for their business, and develop a detailed plan how to get the business to achieve its goal. Basically, they are focused on possibilities for further development and the solutions for challenges or risk there might encounter along the road. Implementation is everything. Dear viewers, basically there are two common advisory approach in the world. There are two common approaches in the business advisory and the consulting market. Each approach provides advice in the different ways and different perspectives. If we will talk about the tax accountant approach, through technological innovation such as Wend, Hero, Deputy and the Dext, the traditional bookkeeping and the BAS preparation tax accountant role, viewers, and the billable hours have a dramatically reduced. Hence the market shift into the advisory on the mass. Unfortunately, users, if the people they will not take the advisory services in the future and the coming days, 100% sure they will face many difficulties. But even the comprehensive variation reports are of the limited value without the actionable long-term plan and the strategy to achieve it. Rather than just talk about what has happened and provide, you can say, the advisors. You know, viewers, if we will hire the good advisor for our company, for our business, 100% sure we can avoid to face the different challenges which we will face in the future. Even the last thing I would like to share with you, if we will go to the approach for the business advisors, last thing here I would like to share with you, we shall start with a one day business review and supply with a implementation plan. You can follow with a practical task. From here there are two options you can choose, like one is self implementation and second is joint implementation. And what is the self implementation, dear viewers? Where we conduct progress meetings to see if you are still on the right track and make adjustment are the required, and measure your progress against the financial and the non-financial key performance indicators. This is called the self implementation. If we will go another side, like the joint implementation, where we drive the implementation and work together on the intense base to ensure the plan is implemented and the results are achieved. So today, viewers, you see, we will discuss about the business advisory services. I will highly recommend it to all of you. Before starting the business, we have to be hired the good advisor for our business to avoid any future unexpected challenges for our business. Dear viewers, I am sure this video will be very fruitful for your organization. Thank you so much for watching, and please share to all your friends.